Welcome to the Mastercars Pro channel. Today we will talk about the problems and weaknesses of this wonderful car. We're starting with the power units as usual. Nissan Leaf is electric powered with equivalent of 108 horsepower. Engine bay gives an impression of small reciprocating engine located in it, but there is no one. Most electronic systems are powered by a 12-volt battery located under the hood. Electric power supply does not need any maintenance, so all the procedures normal for reciprocating engines will be gone with that car. Brake fluid, windshield washer and battery charge levels should be monitored anyway. Li-ion battery of 24 kWh capacity was used till 2015 and then changed with 30 kWh power supply. Fully charged battery can provide average of 120 to 150 km of distance. 8-year guarantee is given by manufacturer for batteries. The only thing to repair is battery that can lose some of its capacity as time passes. The more frequently car is driven, the longer will the battery stay okay. Do not let battery reach 20% of charge. Full battery discharge significantly decreases its lifetime. 12-bar indicator shows battery state. If bars stop glowing, it means that battery loses its capacity. Capacity decrease can be addressed by replacing one of failed modules, as the battery consists of 48 module cells. Some electric systems operate under 390 volts of voltage, so be extremely careful during self-made repairs. One-speed power transfer is used as car transmission. Reverse gear is turned on by changing electric motor polarities. Power transfer should be re-greased every 40 to 50,000 km. Gearbox has no operation issues. 160 mm of lift are pretty low, so either battery shield or lift increase are required not to get damages. Torsion bar links and mounts need replacement at 50,000 km. Ball joints last for 60 to 80,000 km. Front rubber bushings and shock absorbers are pretty solid and can operate for 100 to 120,000 km. Rear suspension bushings should be changed every 100,000 km. Shock absorbers can stand 150,000 km of distance. Electro-powered steering is used. No reliability issues were detected. Steering joints have resource of 70 to 90,000 km. Links make it to 150,000 km. Brake system is reliable, even brake pads need replacement at only 100,000 km. Eco-friendly interior trim is made from recycled plastic. It has good durability and remains silent even after 5 years of use. Interior comfort systems also have plenty of resource. The only thing to deal with is air conditioning system issues caused by high pressure line leakages. Luxury car versions, however, did not have that issue. Paint job was performed using eco-friendly water-based paint, so it is easy scratchable even at low kilometrage. Corrosion resistance has not been defined yet, as most cars of Eastern Europe have age of 2 to 3 years. Well, if you are the owner of this car, then please describe the problems that you had to face during the operation of the car. Perhaps it is your feedback that will help viewers when choosing a car. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for attention. It isn't much work for you to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.